Hey guys, I'm Cami Price. I'm the head trainer and nutritionist here at Ideal Shape. I'm also a certified yoga instructor. Today I'm going to be walking you through a yoga flow specifically for weight loss. So we'll be focusing more on strengthening poses and moving a little bit quicker. So let's get started. All right, you guys, let's get started. So come to the top of your mat. Big toes together, heels slightly apart, hands at heart center. Deep inhale. Exhale. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, swan dive forward. Hold here, relax the back of the neck. You might bend one knee and then the other. Slowly warming up the backs of the legs. Inhale, lengthen the spine, look out to the horizon. Exhale, plant hands down, step or jump the feet back. Lower, Chaturanga push-up. Inhale to upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Hold here a couple of breaths. Feet are hip-width distance apart. Feel the tailbone reaching high. Eventually the heels getting closer to the mat. Deep inhale. Exhale, step or jump the feet toward the hands. Lengthen the spine, look out. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise up, reach arms and gaze high. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, swan dive forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine, look out. Exhale, plant hands, step or jump the feet back. Chaturanga push-up. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Hold here. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Exhale, bend in the knees. Step or jump, top of the mat. Lengthen the spine, look out. And fold. Inhale, rise up, reach the arms and gaze high. Exhale, hands to heart center. Last time, inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, swan dive forward. Inhale, lengthen, look out. Exhale, plant hands, step or jump the feet back. Chaturanga. Upward facing dog to downward facing dog. Again, holding here. Trying to draw a straight line from the fingertips all the way up to the tailbone. Pulling the rib cage together, belly button toward the low back. Press weight into the left foot. Inhale, reach the right leg high. As you exhale, shift into plank, bring the right knee toward the right elbow. Inhale, extend. Exhale, repeat, pull it through, strengthening the core. Inhale, extend. Pull the knee in toward the elbow. Inhale, extend. One more like this, knee in toward the elbow and hold here. Again, building strength. This practice is all about building strength, building endurance, and lift of the leg high. This time, swing that right leg all the way through, plant it between the hands, rise up to a high crescent lunge. Palms are facing together, gaze is lifted. If that bothers your neck, you might keep your gaze straight forward. Really engage the legs here, trying to bring that right leg toward a 90-degree angle. Bring hands to heart center. Inhale. Exhale. And then little pulses. Drop the back knee down toward the mat and lift. Toward the mat and lift. Toward the mat and lift. One more. Toward the mat. Hold here. Stay low, little pulses. From here, engage the stomach a lot. Keep hands to heart center. Spring forward, coming to warrior 3, lifting that left leg off the ground. Stomach is tight. Building strength in the legs. You might add a little pulse to that back leg to activate the hamstring and the glute a little bit more. Drop the left foot to meet the right and sink the hips down, coming to chair pose, keeping hands at heart center. Again, strengthening here. Sink the hips a little bit deeper. Hook the left elbow on the outside of the right knee. Gentle twist. Shift the gaze up. Come back to center. Twist the other way. Right elbow to the outside of the left knee. Shift the gaze. Come back to center. From here, come onto the balls of the feet and sink the hips all the way down, coming to a toe stand. Engage the stomach, engage the legs. Building strength. And then drop the hips all the way down to the ground. Boat pose. So first place, you might keep your heels on the ground, arms extend out. A little more advanced, lift the feet. Full posture, extend the legs. Breathing. Stomach is strong. Hands to heart center, little twist side to side. Come back to center, cross the shins, plant the hands down on the ground, jump the feet back. Chaturanga lower. Inhale to up dog. Exhale to down dog. Hold here. Deep breaths in and out through the nose. And then we'll take that same sequence on the other side. So keep the stomach tight. Inhale, lift the left leg high. As you exhale, come to plank, bringing the left knee toward the left elbow. Inhale, extend. Knee to elbow. And extend. Knee to elbow. And extend. One more time. Knee to elbow. Hold here. Stomach is tight. Extend the leg back. Deep inhale. And as you exhale, swing that left leg all the way through, plant it on the ground in between the hands. Rise up, high crescent lunge. So again, palms are facing each other. Gaze is lifted. Building strength in the thighs. If it bothers your neck, gaze might be straight forward. Slow down the breathing. Hands to heart center. Drop the right knee down toward the ground and lift. Down to the ground and lift. Down to the ground and lift. Down to the ground. Hold here. Hovering. Little pulses. Thighs should be burning. From here, engage the stomach a lot. Keep hands at heart center. Press into that left foot. Lean forward, warrior three. So lifting that back leg. Again, you might stay here or add in the little pulse to the back leg, activating the glute and the hamstring. Bring the right foot to meet the left. Sink the hips down, coming into chair pose again. The chest stays lifted. Knees pressing together, big toes together. Stomach is tight. And then again, taking the twist. Hook the left elbow on the outside of the right knee. Gentle twist. Trying to line those palms up with heart center. If it feels okay, you might even open the arms. Drop the left hand down to the ground. Extend the right arm up. Come back to center. Deep inhale. And as you exhale, twist to the other side. Same thing, trying to line those hands up with heart center. Maybe you stay here, maybe open the arms. Wherever you are, you're breathing. Hands back to heart center. Lift heels off the ground and then sink back down into a toe squat. Lift the chest, thighs pressing together. Feet are strong, core is strong, shoulders back. Inhale. Exhale, hips come down, Navasana or boat pose. So again, arms come out. Maybe your toes stay on the ground for more support. Maybe they lift halfway. or maybe you extend all the way out. Hands behind the head, bicycles, opposite elbow to knee, twisting side to side. Again, this is yoga for weight loss. So keeping the core tight, strengthening, heart's going. Come back to center, extend arms out. Deep inhale, exhale, cross shins, plant hands, feet go back, chaturanga down. Inhale to up dog. Exhale to down dog, hold here. Catch your breath. If you need to drop to child's pose, drop to child's pose. Shift shoulders over the wrist, high plank position, stomach is tight. Bring the right hand to the center of the mat. Pivot open, side plank. So options, the feet might be staggered, the bottom knee might drop to the ground, or maybe the left leg lifts, might even come to a tree pose. Building strength in the arms, strength in the core. Exhale, release. Come back to a regular plank, hold here. Stomach is tight. And then bring the left hand to the center of the mat. Pivot open, right arm lifts. So again, find your place. Feet might be staggered. Maybe you modify by bringing that bottom knee to the ground. Maybe you lift the right leg. Maybe it comes to a tree pose. Inhale. Exhale, release, come back down. High plank, stomach is tight. Send the hips back, downward facing dog. From here, bend the knees, jump or walk the feet through, coming down to a seated position. Inhale, arms reach high, legs are straight. And as you exhale, fold forward and down. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold deeper, getting into the hamstrings. Inhale, look out. And as you exhale, roll all the way down, lying onto the back. From here, press the feet into the ground. Knees are bent. Palms press firmly into the ground. Shoulders press firmly into the ground. As you inhale, lift the hips up, coming to a glute bridge or modified bridge. Stay breathing. Deep inhale. Exhale, release. Going again. Inhale, lift the hips up. Press the shoulders into the ground. Stamping those feet into the ground. Really activate the glutes and the hamstrings. Deep inhale. Exhale, release. Hug the knees into the chest. And then drop both knees to the right. Extend the left arm out. Little twist. Catch the breath. Inhale to center. And exhale, take it the other way. Right arm reaches out. Gaze to the right. Knees drop to the left. Inhale to center. Hug the knees into the chest one more time. And then gentle rocks up and down until you find yourself in a seated place. And then in a seated place, bring hands to heart center. Deep inhale. Exhale. Thank you for practicing with me today. Make sure to like this video and subscribe so you never miss a practice. Namaste.